Here is another magnetic gadget I found at a garage sale. It is a kinetic balancing clown that keeps going when you give it a nudge. Without a battery, it will stop, but once you put one in, it will speed up. Not sure about the name exactly, but you may be able to find something similar on eBay.